We're here at CES 2019 with a company from Korea. A company is called VisualCamp, and they came up with a technology to track eyes. And their technology could be implemented in a number of scenarios outside of medicine, but they're also looking to the medical solutions that they can deliver. We have Dai here from VisualCamp, and he's going to tell us more about the technology. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, nice to meet you, everyone. My name is Daehoon Park from VisualCamp. What I want to explain about our technology, eye tracking, is that our eye tracking can be used for the medical parts. For example, I brought some device that I can explain for you guys. It's VR HMD, standalone VR HMD. We put eye tracking module in this device, and from using this device, we can check the eye condition of people, like people who have trouble with their eyes or people who cannot go to the hospital because of the distance. And one of the Turkey company, they bought this SDK from us because they want to use it for that solution. So people who have trouble with their eyes or who may have trouble with their eyes, they can test their eye condition before they visit hospital, which can be very far distance from their house. And it will be very simple, like one minute. It will take 1 minute to check their eyes. So like glaucoma or other eye disease can be detected by using our technology, eye tracking. Yeah.
So your technology, because it's eye tracking, it basically tracks the motor function of eyes, but you think that it can also extend beyond motor function into diagnosis of things like glaucoma or visual field deficits. You mentioned before the interview that, for example, if there is a visual field deficit, the person will subconsciously look in some areas more than in others, and this way you can diagnose the deficit.
Yeah, like for glaucoma, there can be initial symptom can be partial blindness. That is very easy to check because the calibration process, which is a starting process of eye tracking technology before you use eye tracking technology, is just fit to the as you mentioned, like the checking the partial blindness of patient. We can use it. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So we will link for our readers to your technology page on VisualCamp website. It's actually visual.camp. And they will check it out. And are you partnering with any companies right now to develop? I know you have partnership with Alibaba and.
Yeah. At this moment, we are working with Korean bank in Korea. We got investment from the bank. What we developed was the eye tracking technology for people who have trouble with their hands or their movement. Mm-hmm. So they can use financial service by using eye tracking, like click by eye, click by gaze, those services. So at this moment, we are working with the bank in Korea, which name is Shinhan Bank, and also we have a lot of partners right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.